is called the selfiest place on earth. Here at Fahrenheit 88 is where you can find Malaysia's first museum dedicated to the art of selfie. But is it really worth the hype? Well, I'm about to find out. Follow me.
This Dessert Series museum is specially designed to allow Malaysians to experience a multi-sensorial journey from sight and touch to taste.
The concept actually is the first in Malaysia, which we integrate three main elements. The first one is the creative installations, the second one is the interactive technology, and the third one is the most importantly is the food tasting inside.
Measuring at 7,000 square feet in size, the museum has 9 rooms with different themes and larger-than-life dessert sculptures.
Why we chose dessert? Because it makes everyone happy, and I believe Malaysians love food. Actually, what really inspired us to open this selfie museum is actually when we're taking pictures with our parents. The happiness that they show, right, is totally priceless. So from there, right, we want to spread it through to everyone. We are trying to bring everyone together through selfie and food.
Victoria, you've just taken a tour inside the first selfie museum in Malaysia. So how do you feel?
It was really fun. It wasn't quite what I expected. It was very interactive and you could eat and it was really fun and very colorful. If you love selfies, this is definitely the place you should go.
You know, I've been waiting for something like this to come in Malaysia for so long, and finally we have our first selfie museum. So, you know, this is amazingly crazy and I would love to come again.
What do you like best about this selfie museum?
I think, you know, the colorful props, it's mind-blowing and breathtaking. It's gorgeous.
For me, I like the most is the hot link room, which they have the donuts, all the kids' donuts over there.
I have a sweet tooth, so looking at giant size dessert, that's the best part. I like the benefit store because the marshmallow is so yummy, and also beside the benefit store have the telephone. Then we can take a photo of it.
Now, I'm not really a selfie expert, so I decided to ask the selfie expert for advice.
So Ned, what are the elements of making a good selfie?
Okay, so first of all, I think you should get a selfie stick first, because if you don't trust other people's skills, right, you can always, you know, take a selfie by yourself, and of course good lighting, and also you should, you know, go for the 45 degrees and 90 degrees angle.
For me, I think the key to take a good selfie is to have the right lighting.
You must know your angle.
Yes.
I think for me the most important tips for a selfie is duck face. That's it.
I'll be honest, after taking selfies with all these delicious desserts, it's making me pretty hungry. But not to worry, because there are some real desserts that you can eat. Thank you, and did I mention it's free?
The museum also offers 5 Malaysian-inspired desserts for the visitors, including syrup cupcakes and tea life bubble tea.
Is that 1 to 10? How nice is this place to take a selfie?
It is 10 out of 10 for sure.
Perhaps 8.
For me is 9. Well, if you love selfies, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. It was really fun.
If I could give it 11, I will. But because it's 1 to 10, I'll give it a 10.
And there you have it. If your selfie game is strong and you're looking for pictures for your Insta feed, this is where you want to be. This is Sinalong for Star TV.